Look, it's like a slimy thing.
It's falling down.
The dinosaur and the tail.
This is the gold. I know how to put on the goggles. I see you.
Okay, Richard.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello, Richard. So what we're going to do today?
Dinosaur diamonds.
You have the dinosaur diamonds. Let's show everyone. So we have this awesome box of extreme chemistry and extreme excavation. So this is a thick box.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we have here? We have a gemstones. We'll dig some gemstones. We have some worms, polymer worm. We'll be making some moon mud. We'll be making some moon mud. And let's see what else we have here. Let's get it started. We'll start with. Do you want to do some chemistry cool experiments today, or do you want to excavate first?
I want to excavate.
So crystals or excavation?
This one first.
This one
Excavation.
first. Okay, let's open it up. I believe we have two different boxes. We'll have two different boxes, and we'll open it up. Whoa!
They got out. The tape here.
Yeah, let's get rid of this tape. We don't need it.
Oh, I need a little bit help.
A little bit help. Let me.
I did it!
Yeah, we did it.
Let's
We did.
drill it.
Let's through it. We don't need this. Okay.
Let's open this up. There's some tape too.
Okay. Let's get rid of this tape too. I'm doing a quick spin, magic spin like this, and some magic spin like this. And do you think it's ready?
Yeah. Let's open it.
I think we lost some tape. Let's do a magic spin like this. Whoa!
Thank you. That's
Good.
a huge
So-
container box.
Okay, you're opening it up.
Oh yes, I am.
Okay, let
There's
me. So
instructions.
it's empty. We have instructions here. We don't need
There's
this anymore.
another one.
And there are some instructions here. Good. Good job. So before opening this one, wait. Oh, we have some new goggles. Will be one for me, one for you.
This one's for you, Daddy.
Let's open it up. So look here. We have a big, huge
Map.
map. Whoa! And it comes in two languages. So we'll pick up the English one.
Look, the dinosaur bones.
And let's check. So facts about fossils.
Fossils. This one's the fossil.
Yeah. Fun fact. Scientists who study fossils are called paleontologists.
What?
Paleontologists.
I know paleontologists.
Good.
Let's get.
We have our experiments here. Let's see. So
Which
we have a
dinosaur
lot
are we
of
going to get this
experiments.
to? Daddy, which dinosaur?
Let's
are
start
we
with
going to get?
experiment number
We
one.
got the T-Rex.
Good job. You did it.
I'll get.
I can have the super duper goggles.
I got the zero hammer.
Yeah, and we have something to look, find some bones. Good. Okay, so you have the hammer and digger. We don't need it for now. There's a plate. First, we need to open up this bag. In this bag,
It
you can
has
see there are 16
dinosaur bones.
16 dinosaur bones.
Like the T-Rex.
So we'll need to take them
This
all.
one was the T-Rex.
Yes, we'll put them here. So
Slime.
let me do it.
Cut slime. It's coming out by itself.
Yeah.
It's so jiggly. I get the bones.
Yeah.
I got the bone.
You get the bone.
I got the arm.
We wiped it out. And this is our bone number one.
The bone arm.
Yeah. Look, it's like a slimy thing.
It's falling down. I got this bone. We got it. And the mold. This is the mold of the T-Rex. Let's wipe it up. I'll
Okay.
hold that.
Yeah.
The skull.
The skull.
That's the other side, a piece of the skull.
Yeah.
That's the mold. And there.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Wow, it's
whoa.
awesome.
So ugly. What? Run away. Let's try to clean it up. And so we have 16 pieces.
Yep.
Now we need to make the dinosaur.
Yeah, they come down.
Let's start with our head. I'll try to arrange it so you can build it, right? So go like this. Yeah, like this.
I built his head. I built this awesome
arms.
head. I built head. This is the awesome round head.
Okay, let's see. So look, this would be our dinosaur. It has the head, the body,
And
the neck. I think the neck would go. Oh, before building the head, Richard, you need to put inside.
Some.
There. We have our dinosaur head done, right?
Can you take it?
Yeah.
There's your head and then neck.
Now we need to make our. It has a long neck.
What?
Yeah. We need to build it up to the tail. We need to connect all the pieces first. Like this one goes inside this one. You see? Goes like this. Oh no! Can you try to put it?
It's this side, Daddy. What's bad?
Good. You got the dinosaur and the tail.
No, it has one tail.
One tail. Good.
What's next? Is it this one?
What's next? Next, we need to put the arms inside the body.
This body?
There is arms.
Here?
Yeah, let me show you.
Wow, I see it! It's an awesome T-Rex bones. Now let's do the fossil.
It stands like this. Okay, so do you know what we're going to do?
With the scissors and this.
We're going to find some gemstones.
We're gemstones here.
Yes.
I hope we'll get the ultra stones.
Ultra rare stones. Yeah, let's put back our paper so we don't make a lot of mess. We'll do it here. Okay, let me open it up.
Yeah, with scissors.
What? Yeah. I can do some magic trick.
What magic? Nice magic trick.
Nice magic trick.
It's so good.
Let's show everyone what we got.
The fossil here.
We got some very nice dino fossil.
Put it here.
Yeah, let's put it
I'm
here.
going to break it with the hammer tool.
Yeah.
I think that worked.
Yeah.
This one's pushing.
A little bit of noise.
I'm trying to do with the codes.
So we have the very first gemstone.
This is so. It's an ice stem gemstone.
See it?
It's so frozen.
Yeah, we'll put it here. Our first one.
It's gonna be ready. Lava gemstone.
Yeah, let's see these two gemstones.
It's another lava
Wanna take
gemstone.
it?
So water.
Wow. There is a black one.
Yeah, then.
Take it. There is yellow one.
Whoa, this one is too huge. What's this? This is the golden gemstone, yellow gold
Do you
gemstone.
see this one?
It's the
I
white,
found more.
another white one.
Uh-oh.
Wait, it's green.
It's super different color.
It's a green.
What's
Yeah, let's put this one. Let's get this gold one. It's so clean.
I like that one.
And when it's ready, you open it up
It's ready.
and put it here.
Let's put it. It's a little bit dirty.
Play a game, we'll match it. Everything we found, we'll try to match it. So, you found the yellow one.
This the goldest.
Yeah. Can you find a match?
This one.
Yay!
Please, what this one's one?
It's called yellow quartz.
Yeah.
Let's put it here. We matched it. It's fine. Do you see any rose color inside?
Yeah.
Yeah, but look. Let's see this one. Maybe this one has rose color inside.
Yeah.
So this one has very smooth edges. You see, it's smooth like this. So
Like
this one
this
is
one.
most likely this one is clear crystal. Put it here, and this one is called rose crystal. It has a little bit rose inside of it, right? Yeah, so we put a rose crystal. Look like this. Magnify when you put like
I see a snowflakes. They're getting shoot.
this. Good.
Now let's see this one. Wait a minute. This is also a different green too.
Oh yeah, where
Goes here.
do you think it's here?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put it here for now, and then we'll figure out gate.
Gate.
A gate.
Gate.
Yeah, it's a type of quartz.
Oh, this is also red.
It's red. Okay.
Goes here. No, here.
Yay!
It has white.
Yeah, it's good. So this ends up our experiment. Did you like it? So we have a part 2 coming. We have the second one.
Let's move over these.
It will be all about the color changing crystals. And also have 6 very cool experiments. So stay tuned for the part 2. And we'll open it up and do some more science experiments with Richard.
More science experiments.
Yeah.
Diamond experiments.
Yeah.
Experiments.
Do you want to say bye-bye to our guests?
Bye bye. You do the second one.
Yes.